Hi there guys, this next video is all about fixing the clutch on my Bodgeworks 250 Crosser, which is that, there it is over there, the sort of put together by Bits dual sport bike that I have. It's a 250cc thumper. Anyway, just so you know, this is a video about replacing the clutch. If you're looking for more China how it is or food for foreigners, something along those lines, don't worry, it's coming soon. So I'm going to replace the clutch because it's clutch plate anyway. It's badly worn on this thing. See how it's done. Alright, so letting the oil out first, and then we are going to see the dreaded insides of this thing, which has been abused from day one. So yeah, let's find out. Well, that's what the side of the engine looks like when everything's opened up. There's a little pin thingy, the clutch, whatever it's called. Yeah. See what this geezer's going to do next. It's like an impact screwdriver here. Very nice. Guess you need that tool. Cool. Could see he's done this before. And they are not talking Chinese, they're talking their hometown dialect, whatever it is. Okay, once the clutch springs have been taken out, it's back on with a impact wrench thingy.
Nó bị anh. Đỡ lên.
是这个吗？
是的。
你觉得这个东西是坏不坏？
啊？
这个东西是坏的吗？
是磨损了，不会坏。磨了。
磨了。
没力是。
对对。
是磨了。
磨了的。Oh, those are the clutch plates, I guess. See if this works. It's gonna try his pikey stuff. I don't know if they've got things that can fit this kind of motor, but it's worth a try. Yeah. Oh, I just stuck that other one in. That thing is bloody hot. So he's put his clutch jobby in there, not using the one that was in there, I guess. They're probably about the same. 是一样的吗？这个跟这个一样，好。Guess so. In go the springs. See, what was happening before is the clutch cable was a piece of shit clutch cable and it was all pinched up here, so it wasn't releasing properly whenever you engaged the clutch, and as a result damaged the clutch plates quite badly over time, obviously. So I've never actually had this bike with a good clutch. I haven't been able to wheelie it yet. Hopefully I'll be able to pull some wheelies now. Not that that's, you know, what I inspired to do, but it'd be fun. That seems to be it then. Everything's back in place. There's the old clutch plates. They don't look bad to me, but they're feeling bloody horrible. See if this makes any difference. Let's hope I'm not wasting my bloody money here. We'll find out. Yeah.